only 9 scenes,
हाँ.
but not a single scene disappointed you or said that, God, 9 scenes. I mean 20 scenes के हम लोग आदि हैं एक episode में, but they moved, they went somewhere. I will talk about the 10-minute scene when we talk about
writing
in the writing, but both these episodes, as you said, were Munna's episodes. I think Humayun did a fantastic job in all. उसकी जो पूरी body language थी in facing रहमती, आने दो, वो बार-बार कह रहे हैं, लेकिन जब गन फायर वगैरह हो रही, he's got this nervous laugh, which I don't know whether he purposely put it in or, लेकिन वो से डर गए, भाग गए, देखा, you know, I just felt that was just so fantastic because otherwise you'll come out and
normal.
It's not that, you know. Even when he's talking to Rahmati and he's saying that आपके लिए भी कोई रोने वाला नहीं बचेगा, और वो बोलता रहता है, वो कहता है फोन तो तब बंद हो गया था, वो जब निकलता है कहता है, you know, like I just think, now I don't know whether he's putting it in, whether who is responsible for these little bits and pieces, but the episode,
this is Haitham style because I work with him. I know कि वो कहता है कि जैसे वो end में उसने यूं करके उससे बात की थी दिलबर ने, जब अंदर चले गए थे रहमती और वो दोनों जो गुंडे खड़े होते हैं, कहते चलो हम अपनी बात करें, सीरियस होते हैं, फिर एकदम कहका लगाते हैं. This is very, वो हमेशा हर चीज़ में से कॉमिक चीज़ करता है कि थोड़ा सा.
It also, the story moved a little bit because अब उसने रिंग भी वापस कर दी है, वो भी साइड you know is moving. उसका डिलेमा, because बाप ने बहुत अच्छी इंटेलिजेंट बात की है कि looking for a saint, you know, वो तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. फिर वो बातें सोचती है, then she says okay. अब now that she said okay, but she said okay why? Because the father has said so, and the father says don't do it because, so it was very engaging, very engaging.
और आई थिंक जो बाप बेटी की भी शुरू में बात होती है जिसमें कहती है कि जेंटलमैन कौन है, वो that was so good.
Even when she said कि गुंडा कौन है,
हाँ गुंडा, हाँ वो कहती है ना फिर
या फारिस
है, एंड में फारिस का नाम,
हाँ या फारिस.
So she says वो कुर्सी पे जेंटलमैन बन के बैठा है तो आपको लगता है कि वो बेस्ट है, हालांकि ना वो बेस्ट है ना वो जेंटलमैन है.
But the other thing is that, is it Rahmati, is it Munna, is it Muazzam, or is it Faris? That I feel that when she puts Faris in the Gunda category, because everyone is doing everything on their might, you know. So these two episodes for me also were 1, 2, 3, 4. That 10-minute scene is what scenes, not necessarily every scene should be 10 minutes, but what scenes should be.
Exactly.
They are, you start a conversation, you build up on it, you go down a bit, you go up a bit and you end it. Because कहते हैं कि जब आप ड्रामा लिखते हैं या फिल्म लिखते हैं, आप एक सीन की opening, middle और ending होनी चाहिए. But it's not just the entire movie. Every scene should have that.
Absolutely.
So this to me was just amazing because it started as an issue. It told, it gave Rahmati's character this thing that this man is now coming into his being and I need to be scared of him. And how Humayun played it in that, because वो तो घर की बात पे आ गया ना कि मैं तुम्हारा घर खरीदना चाहता हूँ. He wasn't angry about anything else. He's saying, I'm not going to, because his father to him, now we know, was a very big thing. You know, everything that his life, उसने जो अपनी life की पूरी क्या कहते हैं thinking बनाई है, वो अपने बाप के thinking के ऊपर बनाई है.
यानी उसकी ethics की जो training हुई है,
yeah, it's his father, and his father built this house, so it was an insult not to him but to his father.
And to break his ego also. कि खत्म उसकी ego break करेगा ना वो कि तुम बिकोगे.
हाँ,
मतलब वो उसे एक ऑप्शन दे रहा है,
कीमत बढ़ाता गया,
exactly.
25 करोड़ दे रहा हूँ, ये घर मुझे तो तुम चले जाओ.
कहता भी है ना बीच में, कहता है कि now I'm wavering because I'm thinking about it, but he still does it. But that scene was just, I think for me, the entire, मुझे और अगर चीजें याद हैं, like the last, when Munna comes to the house also, beautifully done. But what was very interesting is the fact that Munna is getting popular with the ministers for some reason. We don't know why. And
क्योंकि रहमती थोड़ी सी आंखें दिखा रहा है ना, तो वो हमेशा एक opposition बना के रखते हैं।
Rahmati is actually likes Munna. He does not want to kill him.
Exactly.
But because the way Munna जिस direction में वो जा रहा है, अब Rahmati is scared. He doesn't know whether Munna wants to kill him or not, and Munna doesn't. But he is scared because वहाँ से भी उसको pressure मिल रहा है कि इसको मारना नहीं, इसको मारना नहीं. Even that there's a new minister जो अपना
कैसर was also अच्छा वो एक और भी आया था ना, 2 आए थे,
हाँ वो तो he was just but Kaisar's character is a new character कह रहा कि नहीं, and then of course our minister who's saying no. That part I thought was very interesting, the dynamics between these two men in this, and then of course all the you know the fight scenes and everything. वो खैर हम we'll talk about it when
तो राइचिंग के नंबर दे दें मुझे।
I will also give this a 9.
9.
It's a wow. Okay, this was a wow episode. So I totally understand where Shamoon is coming from, but because like I said, मेरे लिए भी ये language और ये सारी चीज़ें शुरू में थी, but then I reverted myself into a make-believe world. That this is now in a make-believe world, because एक तो we are very restricted by budgets. I'm sure if we went out on the streets and all, it would take much longer. Then you know Karachi में आप कहाँ ले जा सकते हैं जहाँ you know crowd को आपको वो करना होता है. So even if it's there, and between you and Rubina is saying that it is, thing is that हम लोगों का बहुत wordy script होता है अभी भी. हम लोग स्क्रीन प्ले ज़्यादा नहीं लिखते. इसमें स्क्रीन प्ले ऑलमोस्ट नहीं है.
सही बात.
Almost nahi hai, because it is about the human emotions of the. So that's why Rahmati from day one was never a scary person for me. These are all interesting characters. How evil will Rahmati get? Will I want to hate him? Will I not want to hate him? I don't know. But right now I like him. I don't feel Munna to is likable right from the word go. I was not very happy was with the shootout जो उसके घर पे attack होता है. I feel that was a little, I don't know, I think the men were too exposed, ऊपर खड़े में, they're just firing. I mean, any one of them could have got shot. ये भी नहीं कि they were hiding. There was no build up to that. ठीक है, it was done in a, like I said, I think screenplay पे इस पे काम नहीं हुआ, और अगर थोड़ा बहुत हुआ है, so that is probably coming from Haysam's. But even the shootout at the car, I just wish that was a little more believable. I feel that it wasn't as believable as I mean I loved Humayun's performance when he's getting shot, and that whole thing of Dilbar को जब गोली लगती है और उसको जो shock मिलता है, he wasn't the hero that there was a nervousness in him. There was, you know, oh, if you remember, you know, he makes these noises, he gets out and he says कि ठीक है अगर तुमने मुझे मारना है, but when he says that also, he's in those those mixed emotions. I thought he did a very good job. I feel that the guys around him, the ones who were shooting and the shootout that happened, that to me was a little, I felt a little let down over there. So, but overall, absolutely, I never a dull moment, but I will say 7.
7.
Yeah.
Good job.
I think initially जो उसके scenes थे, she was doing the, you know, वही जो confusion में है, but the last scene with the father, I think the way she delivered that scene, like उसकी आवाज़ में she is like given up, and I thought that was very lovely. And even though the father says that, you know, don't do it because of this, but she's sort of, she's said, okay, this is what I've decided, this is what my life is going to be, and she has said, I don't know whether that will happen or not, but I thought that she did perform that scene very, very well. I think she deserves a 9 for this.
Very nice.
She did a very good job. This last scene में वो जो एक give up वाली जो एक feeling थी ना उसकी आवाज़ में, for me, मुझे इस एपिसोड में लगा कि ही अंदर से वो एक बच्चा है, वो never grew up, और उसको हालात ने ये बना दिया है. और अंदर से he is that child जो वो छुपा है.
That
That
also.
is him.
And
वो जो
अंदर
हंस-
से he is the most honest person.
या
also.
और वो जो हंसता है ना आफ्टर समथिंग हैपेंस उसको गुस्सा नहीं आता
Yeah.
कि उसने मेरा फोन बंद कर दिया, नहीं वो हंसा है यू नो. सो देयर इज अ चाइल्ड, अंदर एक फंसा हुआ बेचारा बच्चा है जो निकल नहीं पा रहा बिकॉज ऑफ द बर्डन दैट हैज बीन और द जो सिचुएशन हालात जिस पे ये फेंका गया है और यू नो व्हाट ही इज ग्रोन अप इन. एंड आई थिंक Humayun has done a fantastic job in these 2 episodes. That is the person he is, and the rest is all he's putting on an act or he's fighting that, and he's doing it so well. Ta-dang.
टड़ंग भाई 10 नंबर.
Humayun.